Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to format our table using advanced table styles provided by Excel. So you can see our table is just in black and white, which is not looking very beautiful. So this is not the right thing, I think, because we have to format our table so look like a very beautiful lady. So I want to format my table using various colors and various different colors for table. So first I want to set my heading background color. So select the heading and right click on that heading and select format cells. Go to the fill tab of format cells and select color of which you want to set background color. So I'm selecting this white blue and press OK. So you can see your background color for heading is set. Now I want to set my table style which is provided by Excel. So I'm selecting first table data with columns. If you have filter on particular column, then first remove it and then go to the format as a table of style menu and click on that format as a table. And you can see various styles are provided by Excel. You can select any one of these styles. So if you like these styles like this black and blue, so click on that style and now it will ask to select the data of your table. So I have already selected my data and particular columns and press OK. So it is done. It is looking very beautiful because we have black and white and blue. Filter is also set by automatically and you can filter your data also. Now if you want to change the theme of the table, change the style of the table, then go to the style and now you can see you over the various style, dynamic change is occurred and you can see change in your table. So select the style which you like. Suppose I like this. Suppose I like this theme, this style, then I have to click on that style and it will be applied. So this way you can set various style provided by Excel to your table. So this is about styling your table in Excel. Thank you.